Jojo, give me a Jojo, give me a Jojo. Yeah, I'll be standing by, oh, right by, oh. Yeah, yeah. I know all your father. Give me a Joby, she no big dance. Dance it, dance your sorrow. Dance the way your sorrow, baby. Happy, happy, baby. No one can take away this love. We gon' shine forever. We gon' shine forever. Just like my girl.
Dr. Dollar Entertainment.
Reading my cooler, yo.
Wanna make love on the moon, dancing to my tunes. Easy too much, it's not too much. I wanna be on Forbes list, if wishes were horses. Easy too much, it's not too much. If I want money, me, I do all dance, I got to say. If I want money, me, I'ma buy my shojo, I'ma buy my foya, I'ma buy me. Yeah, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, billionaire, yeah, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, billionaire, yeah, yeah. Yala, yeah, anybody, anybody, yeah. Otedala, lori mejo, oh, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, billionaire, yeah, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, billionaire, yeah. I wanna wake up in a Lamborghini. I want to fly for Santorini, make money to Sicily. Oh, yeah, yeah. If I want money, me, I do all dance, I got to say. If I want money, me, I'ma buy my shojo, I'ma buy my foya, I'ma buy me. Yeah, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, billionaire, yeah, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire, billionaire, yeah, yeah. Yala, yeah, anybody, anybody, yeah. Adenuga, oh, lori meji, oh, yeah. I wanna be a billionaire. Give me a Jojo, give me a Jojo. Yeah, I'll be standing by, oh, right by, oh. Yeah, yeah. I know all your father. Give me a Joby, she no big dance. Dance it, dance your sorrow. Dance the way your sorrow, baby. Happy, happy, baby. No one can take away this love. We gon' shine forever. We gon' shine forever. Just like my girl. Shake your hip, do it for my girl. Do it for that girl. Let me pass on you. Liga, yo. They don't have to know. They don't have to know. Give me a Jojo. Give me a Jojo. Yeah, yeah. body, purpose on you. Anywhere you find yourself, that's how you rock yourself. Baby, I do, baby, I do. Baby, I do, baby, I do, baby, I do.
Be Prime.
Dr. Dollar Entertainment.
Cali on me, Cali open up for me, Cali put their hands on me, like what do you mean? Man don't pay for shit, man get girls for free, man like me.
World Organization, we are all about women, and today is 27th. We are here live at Ademoji Event Center, Igondo, Lagos, celebrating our children in women's world. I'm Baby Abimbola Nurse, one of the advisors of the committee. We are here celebrating our kids. We are here to give them good packages. Instead of them to be roaming about the streets, they are here to enjoy what we enjoy in women's world, because we are all about women and children. One of our mission statements is to take care of the children and women and motherless children. We are here to give them all the best. They are here to contest, to do contests, and then so many things, so many packages for them that they will enjoy at the end of the day.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Adeoke Olabode Mohammed. I am 13 years old. I attend Key Class Academy, and I'm so happy to be here because today is a day of children's in Nigeria. So I'm very happy to be here. Today, happy Children's Day, everyone. Thanks.
My name is Adebowale Sarah. I am 5 years old. The name of my school is Simson Montessori School. I'm happy.
My name is Aliyah, I'm 14 and I attend Edgelyn College.
My name is Anifa, I'm 14 and I attend Edgelyn College.
My name is Danu, I'm 14 and I attend Dr. Demon Child. Happy Children's Day. My name is Aliyah, I'm 14 and I attend Edgelyn College.
My name is Bushra, I'm 10 and I attend Edgelyn College.
My name is Anifa, I'm 14 and I attend Edgelyn College. And together we say Happy Children's Day.
My name is Adetola Salvador Adebayo, aka Babe Salvador. I'm a member of Women's World, a non-government charity organization. I'm here for the Children's Day party organized by WOW, and I brought my kids to enjoy themselves. Adeshewa Salvador and Adenike Salvador. Wow, it's huge. I would say it's huge, and it's a very good initiative, bringing the kids together to have fun on Children's Day. It's a very good initiative. The impact on children is that it's going to make the children socialize. Like my children now, they don't go out, but now they are out here with other children. They will mingle with other children. They will learn. There are lots of games here. They are going to learn. They are going to have fun, and I know they will be going home with lots and lots of good memories. I want to say a very big thank you to all members of WOW, the visionary of the group, Mrs. Adelaja Oluwarotimi. We call her Boss Babe. I want to say thank you for organizing a very big event like this for children. I want to say a very big thank you, and I'm still saying thank you to all members and Boss Babe for the good work they are doing to women and children, because the group is all about looking after women and children. That's what the group is all about.
My name is Titilayo Adekunle, known as Babe Titi Ade. I'm a new member of the Women's World Group. I'm here this morning to celebrate the Children's Day with the lovely children of the group. I came with my son Oluwaseun Adekunle to celebrate today's Children's Day. Okay, well, I've heard a lot about the women's group. I heard it through one of my mommies. The group is actually a group that they're into they render help. And you know, I love such groups. So when I heard about it, I said, no, I will join this group. And along the line, I got to know that they are going to organize children's program. And I'm so excited because, you know, this children's program will really help most of these are children. Like my son's school now, they didn't organize any children activity for them. But when I heard that there's a children program coming up by the women's group, I said, yes, finally, this one will make these children know that they are being remembered always and they are being loved. So I so much appreciate this program, and I thank God for the organizers of the program. Thank you.
If you're happy here, you know, when you really want to show, if you're happy here, you know, sit down. If you're happy here, you know, stand up. If you're happy here, you know, sit down. If you're happy here, you know, when you really want to show, if you're happy here, you know, sit down, stand up, 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 sit down, stand up. Just follow our chair. Wonderful children, clap for yourself. All right, I want all the kids to come outside. Come outside. All right, DJ, hold it. Let's do something different. Thank you, DJ. You can go to that place. Who can dance very well? Okay, come. What is your name? Esther. Esther. Are you sure you can dance? How old are you? 7. 7. What is the name of your school? Other School. Okay. Are you ready to dance? Are you sure? DJ, let's go. DJ, let's go. London.
I know I'm slide to suffer. If I follow politician, you go hear I'm for paper. You go call I'm prostitution. Who don't like their enjoyment? The money they for pockets.
How your family, where are you? Where is she? How your family? No, children, join Mr. Clown. Join Mr. Clown. Okay, stay here. You're still going to do something for us. Children, what happened? Do something, let's see you.
Darling, I'm watching you. Something you don't move. You come, you shout.
Today's date, everybody. Of May, every year we celebrate Children's Day. Okay, children, we are going to do something right now. Wherever you are, I want you to sing for me. My head, my shoulder. Wait, don't sing, no. As I'm singing it, you're touching it. I want to see. Everybody, let's go. My head. I can't hear you. Touch it. Use your two hands. Your two hands. Mine is my head. Show me very well. Belong to you. Please put your hand for yourself. Are you clapping? If you clap very well, I'm going to call you for what I'm about to do now. Okay, that's okay. Thank you very much. If you are in basic 2, grade 2, let me see your hand. Primary 2. Primary 2, come. Primary 2. Come. Primary 2. Primary 2, boy, girl, primary 2. Who else? Okay, primary 3. Primary 3. Yeah, what was her name? Okay, you stand here, this way. Primary 3, come. Nobody. Primary 3, come. I want to do something right now. Just watch me. It's going to be fun. Are you primary 3? Are you primary 3? Basic 3? Basic 2, okay. Basic 2, basic 3. Is that all? Basic 1. 1. Come. Basic 1. Come now. Fast. How many are we here? Basic 1. Is that all? Okay, move backward. Now form a circle. Form a circle. Form a big circle. I can't hear you. Form a big circle.
Like your mommy's cooking pot.
Form a big circle. You are not forming it. Form a big circle. Okay. We have basic 1, basic 2, and 3 here. Basic 4. Let me see if you are much. Basic 4. Are you primary 4? Basic 4. Are you not? Okay, basic 4. 4. Come. Thank you. You two, join them. Watch us, want to do something, right? Okay, it's okay like this. Put your hands down, everybody. I'll be at the middle. Listen to the rule of the game. If I'm the only one singing now, did you hear me? I will call any part of the body very fast and you touch it with your two hands. Did you hear me? Don't sing. Did you hear? I'm the one singing, I'm the one talking. Any part of the body I call, you touch. The last person to touch is out of the game. But if I say my shoulder, don't touch your knees. If I say my head, touch your hair. If I say my knees and you touch your toe, you are out of the game. And I'm very, very fast about it. So you have to be very fast. The last person to touch is out of the game. Are you ready now? My head. Use your two hands. Don't sing, just wait. My shoulder. My knees. My toe. My head. My toe. My knees. My shoulder. My toe. My knees. My shoulder. My toe. My head. My shoulder. My toe. My knees. My shoulder. My shoulder. Sorry. My shoulder here, the last. Stand here. Are we ready now? You have to be very fast. My head. My shoulder. My toe. My knees. My head. My shoulder. My toe. My knees. My shoulder. My head. My toe. My knees. My shoulder. My toe. Sorry, you're the last. I said my toe. Okay, let's go. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe, my shoulder, my knees, my shoulder. Sorry. Okay, move on. Okay, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe, my shoulder, my knees, my head, my toe, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Oh, sorry. Move on. Thank you. Who is going to win, a boy or a girl? I can't hear you. Who will win, a boy or a girl? If you say boy, say oh. If you say girl, say oh. DJ, I'm going to do that danceable song now. Danceable song, so they will dance now before we say the winner. Are you ready now, children? Yeah, danceable. Are you ready now? Okay. Let's show you how dancing. Are you ready now? Children say, okay. Let's begin. Well then. You are not dancing. The rest of you. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let me hear you. Your hands. 1, 2. Louder.
I went there with my best friend, yeah. Everything yeah, man, everything there. Oh yeah, I get many girls with any come from
my shoulder, my toe, my shoulder, my knees, my shoulder. Wow, serious, smart. Okay, my head, my shoulder, my toe, my shoulder, my knees. Sorry, last. Okay, are you ready now? My head, my shoulder, my knees, my shoulder. My head, my shoulder, my toe, my shoulder, my knees, my head, my shoulder, my toe, my knees. Wow, sorry. Okay, don't worry, we are going to see to that. Move backward, move forward. So, my head, my shoulder, my knees, my shoulder, my head, my shoulder, my toe, my knees, my shoulder, my head, my toe, my knees, my shoulder. My head, my shoulder, my toe, my shoulder, my knees, my toe, my shoulder, my head, my toe. Somebody must go. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe, my shoulder, my head, my toe, my shoulder. Wow. Please clap for them now. I'm not seeing my winner. Are you sure I'm going to see winner today? I win. Let's go. My head, my shoulder, my toe, my knees, my shoulder, my toe, my knees, my shoulder, my toe. Sorry. Okay, I must see winner here. How many boys do you have? 2 boys and 4 girls. Let's go. The boys, show them. The girls, let them know. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe, my shoulder, my knees, my head, my toe, my shoulder, my knees, my head, my toe, my shoulder. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe, my shoulder, my head, my toe, my shoulder, my knees. Sorry, thank you. It's part of life. 3 girls and 2 boys. Are you ready now? My head, my shoulder, my toe, my shoulder, my knees, my toe, my shoulder, my head, my toe, my shoulder, my knees, my toe, my shoulder. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe, my shoulder, my toe, my knees, my head, my shoulder, my toe, my knees, my toe. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my shoulder, my toe, my knees, my head, my shoulder, my head. Please put your hand for this one. So I don't think there's going to be a winner. Please put your hand for them. We are clapping, clap now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's the Children's Day. And we're here catching for. What's your name?
Joshua.
I didn't answer your class. I said your name. Say yes, one. What's your name? Joshua. I heard yes, one. What's your name? Esther. Again? Modestua. Alright. Shewan. Olivia, that's have a student, a private lesson student, Olivia. Okay, DJ, I'm going to do this once. Danceable song again. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, wait! Where the clock? Where the clock? Hey! 1, 2, 3. Is this how to wear clothes? Remove it. Pass it to her. I will count 1 to 5 for you now. Are you ready? Yes. 1. You want to remove your watch? Okay. I want to see who this is going to wear between she and she. 1. Are you ready? Yeah. Don't worry about the lineup. Children, okay, you want to watch what is happening. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. 2, 3, 4, 4 now. 4 better. 5, ready? Is this how to wear clothes? Remove it. Remove it. Alright, I'm going to count 1 to 5. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Right. 1, 2, remove it and pass it to her. Alright, this is going to be the last stage. I'm going to count 1 to 6 now. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 6. So you, okay, thank you DJ. So you used to wear your brother's clothes.
Mommies and daddies, I hope you're watching this. So you used to wear your brothers and your sisters' clothes. Jam your hands together for them. Both of them are my winners. Alright, and so please help me give them gifts. Please, the mommies should stay this way. The walkies should come this way. The contestants should come this way. If you know you are among them, please quickly do that. Children, you can have your seats. Have your seat. Who is not dancing? I'm going to chase you away now if you're not dancing. Now you are talking. That's so. Now you are talking. That's so. It's a dancing competition. Mommies, I hope you're watching. Mommies, I hope you're watching. Children, I hope you're watching.
I'm in love with plenty women.
I hope you're watching. I hope you're watching. Mommies and daddies in the house.
I go make sure say I'm always collect. I get my money, my sponsor. I get my money.
Alright, thank you, DJ. Alright. Is she the winner? I can't hear you. Is it the winner? Is it the winner? Is she the winner? Okay, let's do it this way. Waka or stay? 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 Waka, waka, waka. Now come this way, stay there. What is your name? Olamide. And you?
Joshua.
Joshua. Are you ready to dance? If you're ready, I am ready. DJ stop it, let's go.
DJ go.
You are dancing like my church members. Alright, meet Mr. Clown. He has something for you. It's right. Now come this way, Sophia.
Please don't like that. 6 of you, be fast. Thank you very much. Yes, these are our fashion arenas. DJ, just give them something slow or to come in. Not that slow. Just come, don't worry. Just slow something. Wonderful kids. They are going to wow us here today with their fashion parade. Are you ready now? We have this row. Adeola, Makati, Eboluwa. Move on, thank you. Yeah, these are
what you wanna buy with more.
We have 7 here, 7 contestants. Which country are we in, mommy? Which country are we in? So which country are we in? Which country are we in? Nigeria. So clap for yourself. Clap now. So yeah, that's the example. That's you understand what I'm trying to say. Are you ready now? No noise. Hello children. Please face the wall. Mommy, don't shout it to tell me my ear. What is your shoe size? Not slippers, oh. Shoe size. Don't look at the back. You look at the back, you're out of the game. The question is, what is mommy's shoe size? She has already told me. What's your mommy's shoe size? 40-41. Put your hands up for her. Are you clapping? Wow, 40-41 exactly. Mommy, what's your shoe size? What's your mommy's shoe size?
40-41.
41-42. Sorry. Okay, mommy, sorry. Your shoe size, sorry. What's your mommy shoe size?
40.
40. Please put your hand for that boy. 40. They are telling him. Mommy, sorry, your shoe size. What's your mommy shoe size?
41.
41. Put your hand for this family. We are not clapping for them now. And that's your mommy, your shoe size. Okay, what's your mommy shoe size?
40.
40. Please clap for this one. Clap. Are you clapping? We are not clapping. No gift for you. Question 2. Are you ready now? Mommy, where is your hometown? Where is your hometown? Listen, children. Don't look at the back. Where is your hometown? Where is your hometown? Mommy has told me. So tell us. Where is your hometown? You don't know that one? Don't look at the back. Your own. No, it's our own now. Your own very own. Don't worry. Yes, mother's hometown. That's your mother's hometown. Your mother's hometown. Lagos, please put that grab for her. Lagos is Lagos. Are you clapping? Clap for her now. Okay, mommy. Your own hometown. Where is your mommy's hometown? Where is the hometown? In Oshu is the state, the hometown. What? Oh, mommy is from Iwo in Oshu. Did you get that? Okay, mommy. Come to you now. Where's your hometown? Don't worry, mommy, don't wait. I'm going to come to your house. Don't worry. DJ, let the song go like that. No, mommy, only mommy. Mommy. Thank you very much. God bless you. Mommy, make sure you are dancing. Yes, now. You dance, oh. Mommy, dance. DJ, that's all. Sweet mother.
Sweet mother, I never forget you. For this summer when you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I never forget you. For this summer when you suffer for me. When I did cry, my mother was marry me. She was in my beginning. When you did cry, stop, make you don't cry again.
Alright, mic check 1, 2. Thank you, DJ. God bless you. Remember, this is the gift you are taking you. Our parents want to fight. I must not see those children leg on the ground. Okay. When you ready now, you carry your children. Oh, you carry. Say this woman, you say you have plenty of them. Oh yeah, mommy, follow your mommy like this. Just follow your mommy. Go remove your husband and yes. Follow your mommy, go to your seat. Don't let them go. If your leg comes down, if your leg should come down, if your leg should stop, if your leg should stop. When we go, let us know the amount of people that is remaining. Let's go. I'm going to go and collect the food. Yes, it is. Give us family something. Give them something. Alright, thank you. Drop it. Alright, that's good. Now, the song is still going to play again. Put them down. DJ, let's go. Dance again. You say you have 2, you have 4. We will know now.
You are my
we have something for you. This is how we used to do it. Okay. Now, mommy, change your position. Mommy, come here. Yeah, better go downstairs. It's like there's power where you are. Mommy, oh yeah, come to the front. Oh yeah, let's go. The mommy gave me this phone. Where's the mommy? You are still on ground. Carry go. Come down and dance now. Come down. Face your mommy and dance. Mommy, you're not dancing. Okay. Let's count 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, to leave this game, no problem. Whether you like, I want somebody to win this now. I want the baby now. No problem. After this one, I will know this is the winner now or not. You are not in the game. Alright, no problem. Okay, alright. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen, women are finally decide that she is the leader. Have your hands together for them. Whoa! It's not easy. Mama 3, God bless you. Oh yeah. The rest, please come and collect something.
Thank you. Are you clapping? Clap now. Yeah, DJ, everybody now, big clap. Make sure you have your face. Number 2. Wow, this is nice. Please, if you are clapping for my contestants, clap for them. If you are clapping, clap for them. Okay. Okay, let's start for you. What's your name? What's your name? Arike, what's your name? Again? Lawan. Okay, what's your name?
Stop blocking the
Adiola, sorry. What's your name? Manuela, and you? Makanti, what's your name? Olivia, what's your name? Makati boy. Okay, right now, you are going to answer questions. Yes, from the way you are beautifully and well dressed. And you are even standing. Look how you are standing. See this way. Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. We have only 3 questions here. You are going to get the questions perfectly well. If you don't get it, sorry, you are not being part of the winner. Question number 1. Are you ready for the first question? Yes. What is humanity? What is humanity? I'm going to give you the mic now. Tell us what humanity. What's humanity? Please don't know. They know it too. They will shock you. When I shock you, they will shock you. Wait. You think they don't know it? What is humanity? Tell them. If you want to hear, be quiet. You hear now. What's humanity? Listen now. You are making noise. You will not hear. What is humanity? Wait. They know it. She knows this inside.
Members is all about for them to educate them to catch fun.
Educate who?
The women.
Okay, educate the women to catch fun and have fun. What is the fun all about? Please. Sorry, it's not all about. Olivia, what is men's world all about? What do you know about men's world? I can't hear you. Okay, for the children, you care for the children, Abby? Yes, she's right. This diagram for her. What do you know about men's world? Women's world is to serve food. Ladies and gentlemen, is that what it's all about? Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, the last one. Okay, the last one. Now, listen. Yes, this answer you are going to whisper into my ear. Don't shout it to. Don't shout the answers. Share it to my ear. What is the name of Women's World Visioneer? A nickname. The name of Women's World Visioneer. What's her name? The person who set it up. The Visioneer, the person who organized it. Yeah, what's the name of the visioneer of Women's World? You know her name? Oh, she doesn't know. What's the name of the visioneer of... Sorry. What's the name of the visioneer of Women's World? Okay, what's the name of the visioneer of Women's World? A nickname. Alright, what's the name of the visioneer of Women's World? Okay, what's the name? Wow, this is it. Let's go. Don't worry, get to go. Alright, what's the name of the visioneer? Okay, are you ready? Right in here. Okay, the last question says, what is the name of the visioneer of the Women's World? And her nickname, the first person here, what's her name? Contestant number 1. She said it, Boss Babe. Number 2, he doesn't know it. Number 3, he doesn't know it. 4, 5, and 6, they all said Boss Babe, and they are all correct. Please put your hand up for them. Clap for them now. Clap, 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 clap.
Thank you. talk about the small things,
We are going to announce the winner later, so make sure you go back and see. Thank you, God bless you. Who is next? Okay, are you clapping? They are clapping, clap for them now. Clap. Okay, we are having some children. I want to quickly do something right now. Stand here, I think that will be better. Okay, this is how I'm going to do. Watch me. I will throw this. Don't mind the one that falls on the floor. Did you get me? Mind the one that's on my hand. Are you ready now? Any amount of that. DJ, I'm going to do more that song. Full song. Not to shout, so you can hear me. Please help me with this baby. Are you ready now? 1 to go. Come on,
máa ṣe oríire, ìyá mi máa ṣe oríire, bàbá mi máa ṣe oríire, ìyá dára o. Bàbá mi máa ṣe oríire, ìyá mi máa ṣe oríire, bàbá mi máa ṣe oríire, ìyá dára o. Bàbá mi máa ṣe oríire, ìyá mi máa ṣe oríire, ìyá dára o. Bàbá mi máa ṣe oríire, ìyá mi máa ṣe oríire, bàbá mi máa ṣe oríire, ìyá dára o.
Sama piyo, shika wile broken. Baby, make that feel so easy. Make I even mix some Italian. Yeah, give me that,
my friend.
They feel like yeah.
Nabel, give me Sioluwa. Adeyemi Emmanuel. Adedamola. Adedamola. Adesola. Ọmọdé sílẹ̀. Okay, Lawal, Israel. Ṣọlá pẹ̀lú Ọlá. Sophia, I heard that you are talking. Sophia, how old are you?
4 years old.
4 years old, so we are of the same age. That's good. Sophia, between your mommy and your daddy, who pay your school fees?
My mommy.
Now your mama they pay your school fees. This one go far. Between your mommy and your daddy, just add your representative Moferiwa travel to United Kingdom for a meeting, right? She'll be back very soon. Alright, no problem. Now praise, right? What is, how old are you?
11.
I can't hear you. 11. Wow. Praise. What have you heard about Wonder Woman? She's a great woman, or they are great women. Great women. And what have you been hearing about them? At least like 1 or 2. What? I can't hear you. Okay. No problem. My friend, what is your name again? Speak louder, speak louder. Adeshewa. How old are you? You are 6 years old. Adeshewa, between your mommy, your daddy, who take you to school in the morning?
My mommy.
Your mommy. Now, between your mommy, your daddy, and your uncle, who pay for your school fees?
My daddy.
Between your mommy, your daddy, and your uncle, who carry you in the mood for 9 months?
My mommy.
Your mommy. Between your mommy, your daddy, and your uncle, who carried you at the back for 3 years? Your mommy. Okay. No problem. The question is very, very funny. I know. Now, what is the name of your school, Adeshewa? Shawawa Nursery and Primary School. Shawama Nursery and Primary School. What is the name of your school? Okay, Adora, right? Adiola Tawa. Okay. I was hearing Shawarma Nursery and Primary School. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time I've been waiting for. It's an online, how should I put it, an online voting. What I'm about to tell you right now, the third runner-up is Sophia. Join your hands together for Sophia. Sophia, stand up, stand up, stand up. The third runner-up. Wait now, let them see you. Wait, the third runner-up, the third runner-up. Continue clapping, children, continue clapping. Continue clapping. Yeah, it is not easy. Please, where is Sophia's gift? Who is going to present gift to Sophia? Who is going to present the gift to Sophia? Wow! Sophia, step forward, step forward, step forward, step forward. All right. All right. Okay. Asuken, please, where you at? Asuken, please, where you at? Please come step forward. Okay. All right. The second. All right, she's to present the second runner-up, Mofe Oluwa. Please let us come forward, Sophia. Please step forward. Mofe Oluwa, she is the second runner-up. Please join your hands together for her. Join your hands together. Join your hands together. All right. The winner goes by the name Salvador Adeshewa. Please join your hands together for her. Join your hands together, join your hands together, join your hands together. DJ, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, join your hands together for Adeshewa. DJ, let's go. Asuka, please, where you at? All right. Children, why are you not clapping? Clap, 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 clap. Wow, wow. Go back, children, go back. Thank you, DJ. God bless you. Now, I want you guys to drop your gift and I want you to dance. Okay?
Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Only God, I know the kind of thing I do. The kind of thing.
All the women swore.
When I thank God, I got the lead. Say God, no, I got the lead. Only one I comforting me. When these people they come back to me. When I thank God, I got the lead. Say God, no, I got the lead. Only one I comforting me. When these people they come back to me. It's why I die sometimes.
Right now, please, if you are the owner of these glasses, please come and take it. Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Okay. Right. I want to call the children out. Favor, please. Favor, come and claim your gifts. On behalf, the second runner-up, Arike, where you at? Arike. And the first, yes, Yusra. Okay, Yusra. Say his name. The first runner-up for the fashion parade. Now jam your hands together for them. Jam your hands together for them. DJ, splash it. Alright, means our beloved mom in the house. She got a gift for you. Alright, you want that bell?
My full name is Alesha Salvador Adebayo. I am 6 years old. Adeola Towers of Excellence.
My name is Ade Tola Salvador Adebayo, and I'm very happy. And I say a very big thanks to everybody that voted for my daughter. I'm very grateful. About a month ago, Adeshewa Salvador Adebayo is my first daughter, and is also the daughter of Honorable Adegboyega Salvador Adebayo. She is a lovely girl, and she's a shy girl, as you can see. She's very intelligent. She likes her space. I can't say she's an introvert, but she's not an extrovert like that. But we thank God for her life. When we're about registering, we just registered, and we were hoping that the best child wins. That is it. The money has been converted to a learning tab, and I think it's going to help her in learning. Like it's going to help her in learning through, you know, the world is now learning online. It's now an e-learning stuff, and this tab is really going to help her a lot.
Thank you, Mommy, for bringing this opportunity.
Yes, I want to say a very big thank you to Women's World for organizing this contest, and I must commend them. They were very fair. They were very, very fair in their judgment, and I must say a very big thank you. And I want to say thank you to everybody that voted. I saw people voting at night, midnight, in the morning. I want to say a very big thank you to everybody. God bless you all.
I am Miss Lawal. I am the mother to Yusra Lawal, the winner of the beauty pageant of the Wild Kids Day. Okay, this is Lawal Yusra. She's my daughter. She's 4 years old. She just won the pageant. She's quite brilliant for her age. She attends Golden Tabe Private School. Yusra is a very obedient child. She's very curious about everything. She's quite understanding. She listens to instruction. She's agile. She's very active for her age. I've been very confident ever since we've been doing the practice of how she was going to perform on the day. She has been very cooperative. She has been very understanding, and she has been excited for this.
Wow.
Thank you very much. Okay, please, you know you're also a good dancer. Let me see that. Welcome, a good dancer. And dance. You have energy. You have energy.
Defensive!